Hi, Jessica. How are you doing today? I am doing fine. Thank you for asking. I really like your bag. Can I ask where you bought that bag? Thank you. I bought this bag from a mall near my house. I was walking in the mall when I passed by a small store. The bag was behind the window. I thought the bag looked so pretty and cute. It was also on sale. That's great that you bought that on sale. I think you got a very good deal. By the way, are you working today? No, today I am off from work. Since you are not working, do you have any plans for today? Yes, I need to buy groceries. Are you going grocery shopping right now or later? I am going to shop for groceries right now. I also need to buy some groceries. Let's go together. Great, let's go. I wrote a list of grocery items that I need to buy. Oh, you are so organized. I usually don't write a list of items when I go shopping. Do you memorize all the items that you need to buy? Yes, but sometimes I forget some items. I need to start writing a list just like you. It is good to write a list of items on paper or type them on your phone. I will try that next time when I go grocery shopping. I need to start being more organized, just like you. So, what are you going to buy? I am going to buy fruits, veggies, milk, eggs, butter, flour, baking powder, chocolate, and some few more essential items. Did you say eggs, milk, flour, chocolate, and baking powder? Yes. Sounds to me that you are going to bake something. Are you planning to bake a cake? You are right. I am going to bake a chocolate cake for my husband's birthday. Are you going to have a birthday party for him? No, we are not going to have a birthday party. For his birthday, I plan to bake his favorite chocolate cake. We will also eat lunch at a famous Italian restaurant and watch a movie later. Sounds very interesting and fun. Yes, I hope we will have a fun and enjoyable day too. Have you prepared or bought any birthday gifts for him? Yes, I bought a new pair of tennis shoes and tennis rackets. Tennis shoes and tennis rackets? Does he play tennis? Yes, he does. Tennis is his favorite sport. Do you also play tennis with him? No, unfortunately, I cannot play tennis. So, does he play tennis alone or with others? He plays tennis with his coworkers. On weekends, he usually practices tennis with some friends from his workplace? Is he good at playing tennis? He is still a beginner, but he is practicing hard to improve his skills. You got him a perfect birthday gift. He is going to really like your gift. Yes, I hope so too. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this beginner level, A1 through A2, conversation practice video, please like and subscribe. If you want more of this type of English conversation practice video, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next episode.